you dance? Could you dance if I gave you a dime?
What? Ah, push him up at the swing the musica. Ooh-wah, 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 ooh-wah,
Oh, that was very nice. Come on up here now. Here's your money. Come on, take it. Don't be bashful. Come on. That's it. Oh, that's good.
Muchas gracias. Thank you so much.
You're a cute little fellow. Say, I've got somebody I want you to meet. Oh, Pudgy. Oh, come here, Pudgy. Come here. We have a guest. See? Isn't he cute? Come on over here. The little chittermunk. Go ahead now. Don't be backward. Go play, that's it. There's nothing to be afraid of. You play around and maybe he'll show you some tricks. That's it. You play nice now, because I have to go out. And when I come back, I may have a surprise for you, if you're good. Huh? Oh, Mr. Organ Now look, Joe, I'll give you $2.
Mamma mia, how many times I have to tell you it's a tree box, it's a tree.